The location of the Hops Boss jack is on the left side of the controller, 1 inch over and 2 inches up. So mark a spot with a pen or a marker. You can see it's 1 inch over and it's 2 inches up. Hi, this is Darren with Brew, and today I want to show you how to connect the Hops Boss kit to your version 2 controller. First thing you want to do is unplug the controller, make sure there's no power to it, make sure the power switch is off, and open up the cover. Okay, you want to make sure that all the wiring and everything is away from where you're going to be drilling. The next thing you're going to want to do is mark the location of the hole. As you can see here, I've already got it marked. It's 1 inch from the back of the box and 2 inches from the bottom of the box on the left side, left lower side of your version 2 controller when it's mounted vertically as shown. The parts that come with the kit are going to be a 1-foot Ethernet cable and a connection jack. It's a through-hole waterproof connection jack that allows you to plug the Hops Boss in. We're going to be drilling the hole for the connection jack, and what I use for that is a step drill. I've got it here in my cordless drill. This one goes from I think a 1/4 inch all the way up to 7/8, but they come in all different sizes. You just want to get one similar to this if you don't have one, or you can use a regular drill bit. So now I'm going to go and drill the hole. All I'm literally going to do is put my bit on the center mark. And then I kind of pull it out and clear the debris. And I'm going to take the nut off of the jack and just kind of try to push it through that hole to make sure I've got the right size. And you can see it's too small right now. So I'm going to go to the next step on my bit. Again, the cover is open so that I don't hit any of the wiring inside the controller when I'm drilling. That's still too small. I'm going to go to the next one. Clean any debris out. And as you can see, I'm really close. I'm going to go just a little bit bigger. And I've got it. So now we go to the inside of the controller. We remove the nut from the jack, and we position the jack so that the tab is up, and just push it through the hole that we just drilled. Okay, and you'll see the jack mounted inside of there. And then on the outside, I am going to secure the nut hand tight. And I'll come around and show you that. I've put the nut on. And it's hand tight. And that's all there is to installing the actual jack into the controller. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is install the jumper cable. Okay, that goes into the lower part of this control board. It's right up against the surface of the front cover. You'll see a metallic jack that matches this. It kind of looks like the one on the back of what we just put in there. The tab goes towards the wall. Okay, so what you want to do is just simply kind of bend the cable so it kind of makes a bend. Find a way up into that jack and push it till it clicks, and it will actually lock into that connector. Then route the cable underneath as much of this heavy cabling as you can over to the jack you just installed, and plug that in. Okay, now you can see that I've got it plugged in here. It's plugged into the board. You then want to take any of the loose cabling, tuck it back up, make sure it's all in there, close the controller, and snap the clasps. And that's all there is to installing the Hops Boss adapter kit.